Did you know, as of March 2020, there were 2.44 million Blue Badge disabled drivers in England alone, which was an increase of 6.5% from 2019. Each one is either an existing or potential customer of your brand. In 2019 to 2020, local authorities issued 996,000 new badges, of which 26,000 were issued to drivers with non-visible disabilities. This increase is set to continue following the new eligibility criteria legislation. Is it worth businesses helping disabled drivers by respecting disabled parking space? Disabled Motoring UK's Baywatch campaign researches and attempts to address the levels of disabled parking abuse at supermarkets by asking disabled motorists to conduct an annual survey of their local supermarket car park. The most common complaint is still being unable to park because of the disabled bays being occupied by vehicles not having or failing to display a disabled driver blue badge. Each disabled driver is an existing or potential new customer, with as much intention as an able-bodied driver to spend time perusing and spending their money within your business. That is, until they cannot find a disabled space to park in. A question for consideration: is your car park managed? If so, is it managed by a manual patrol attendant or technology? Both have pros and cons, but ultimately, can you answer affirmatively that your disabled parking bays are only ever used by disabled Blue Badge holders? Unfortunately, no business can commit to this unless they can afford the resource to or have the inclination to employ a designated attendant to monitor only the disabled bays 24 hours each day. Technology has not got the capability to do so, as it has been designed to manage car park entrances and exits, not individual spaces. That is until now. PPM, working with Disabled Motoring UK, the campaigning charity for disabled drivers, passengers and Blue Badge holders, have created a unique technology that enables individual disabled parking spaces to be managed on a space-by-space basis. This technology can operate alongside any other contracted parking management system that you may have currently. To benefit the drivers and remote obstacles for wanting to implement this opportunity, it has been agreed that this technology will be supplied and installed at zero cost to your business. Okay, but what difference does this present to my business and my disabled customers? Difference to your business: ability to register and create a database of disabled drivers visiting and/or using your business. Positive PR with regards to being seen as eradicating disabled parking space misuse. Ability to display the disabled monitoring accredited car park certification. Reporting function of these spaces. Ability to engage with and advertise to your disabled customers at a targeted level. Difference for disabled Blue Badge holders: knowledge and confidence that the space created for their use are not being misused by inconsiderate able-bodied drivers. Ability to register and communicate with your business. Experience the sense of appreciation to their needs. This new technology is designed by and provided by one company worldwide, Parking and Property Management Limited, and can be utilized in numerous settings, but a decision has been made to partner with Disabled Motoring UK to utilize it to help benefit disabled drivers, and in doing so, provide opportunities for companies to engage with them. Retail, leisure, private, public, health. All disabled parking settings. We live in a world today that is digital, where people want everything at the touch of a button. Your car parking facilities need to mirror this. It is time for joined-up thinking when it comes to integrating your car park with its surroundings and the positive impact it can have on your business, customers, users, and the planet. Parking management can be used for good. It is not all about enforcement. It is about creating an asset out of a commonly underutilized commodity to support and improve your business and end-user experiences. Disabled spaces can now be managed specifically to achieve a desired end result. No continual abuse, no disgruntled customers, no damaged reputation, no damaged reputation. More importantly, yes, positive PR. Yes, customer retention. Yes, marketing opportunities. More questions for consideration. Do your disabled car parking spaces facilitate the start of communication between you and your disabled customers? Do your disabled car parking spaces give you the opportunity to engage with your customers for the purpose of advertising or important messaging? Do your disabled car parking spaces give you the opportunity to create a positive end-user experience? Do your disabled car parking spaces give you the opportunity to create a database of people happy to register? Parking management does not have to be all about enforcement and the negative connotations associated with it. Designated space management can be used for good. Why not find out how we can maximize your disabled parking spaces by visiting either www.disabledmotoring.org or www.parkingandpropertymanagement.co.uk, or by emailing us at info@disabledmotoring.org, info@p&pmanagement.co.uk.